So when you're ready to move on from the marker to the full-blown router, I'll show you how to switch these out. And I do want to give, alright, so it's kind of, you got to twist it in just the right way so the plastic can go through this groove. Okay. Make sure you cap it, please. Okay, so you don't know who used the machine before you. So a really good tip is to be really sure that this is tight, because maybe the last person just put this bit back and tightened it by hand. And if you start a job with a bit that was tightened by hand, it'll fall out, and I'll upload some video of that too. Okay, so this router has a locking mechanism. You got a divot here, so when you have this button pushed in and spin that, now you have it really solid so it doesn't move. And then you can use this wrench to make sure this is tight. Ooh. And alternatively, obviously, same procedure for loosening it and switching out another bit. And this is a video I might as well show you kind of the different ways to look at switch bits here. So this is a 1/8 inch bit in a, I believe, a 1/4 inch adapter. And so how this works, oh, by the way, we have a short 8 inch bit and a long 1/8 inch bit. Just a small difference, but if you're doing shallow jobs, you might as well use the shorter one. But if you're cutting a 1/2 inch into something, make sure you have the longer one on there, or it'll run into the joint before you get as deep as you want to go. So you can just swap those in, one or the other. But you can also take a larger one, and I think how I'd recommend doing it. Okay, so you can take the 1/4 inch one, and from the bottom, push your 1/8 inch adapter out. Okay, so this is what lets you, use 1/8 inch adapter, 1/8 inch bits from a 1/4 inch joint. Okay, so now we push this 1/4 inch one in, and as we tighten it in here, that'll tighten down on the bit itself. So tighten it by hand and tighten it by wrench. Make sure it's as tight as you can get it. Okay, so that's not going anywhere. Alright, once you get your new bit in, and make sure, and you've checked yourself that it's tight, then you can drop the router. Make sure these divots drop through the grooves, and you'll see what happens is it sets on the floor. So what I'm going to do, maybe this is kind of a stupid way to do it, but power joint 1 on limit switch error. So check where, oh, we're on our limit switch there. So now we can engage it, go to Z, positive is up, so move it up. Okay, now we're off the ground. So we can drop this all the way down, okay, and then tighten it up. Okay, so that is how you switch out the marker for the router, and a little bit about our 1/8 inch adapters. Ooh, 1/2 inch one too. So we'll have another video going over all of our drill bit selection, and hopefully it'll be more organized by then too. So that's all for now.